G'day everyone, and welcome to another video. This time coming from the main lookout, or central lookout I think it is, in the Stirling Ranges. And I've been taking some panoramas of the view behind me. The view that you would have just seen on the intro to the video. And Joanne's off orchid hunting, and I'm in the back of the ute with my new tripod and new, what do you call that, tripod head. I couldn't think of the name for a second. Anyway, we're orchid hunting and getting some photography at the same time, because the view is just too good not to take photos of. I'm not sure if this will come out on the screen because it's a little bit hard to see where I'm looking, but I've just bracketed some shots. I'll take the brackets off, leave you with the view while I do that. And I've done about 4 panoramas of this view. As you can see, the clouds have come in, and this mountain over here, I'm not quite sure what that mountain's called, but the rain keeps coming in, hence my rain jacket on, and it's a little windy, but the cloud formations are just amazing. So I've been getting some panorama shots, and just give you an idea. I'll try it on the back of the camera. I don't know how well it's going to come out, but we'll see. So just been taking it very slowly and focusing on the mountains in the background. And then what I do is, once I focus like so, I'll get the composition that I like, and I focus in to infinity, and then take the shot on the timer to let the lens and the camera settle down, and then move it. Most people move it a third. Well, seems to be the general consensus, but I actually learnt something from Ewan Dunsmuir, and I'll link to his channel in the description below, and there's a big card up the top of the screen somewhere which will show you some of his videos. And Ewan does big panoramas, and he does medium format photography, and he does some stunning work. And as I do that and talk about that, the camera turns itself off. Anyway, one of the things I learnt from Ewan was, instead of doing it overlapping each shot by a third, overlap it by about 50%. So take that shot there, for instance, and then move it to about there, and to about there, and to about there as you go along. And you just get more data that way. You gather more data, you gather more of the scene, and makes the panoramas stitch a darn sight better. Look at the cloud over that mountain now. Wow. So let's do a little mini panorama on that one. Right, so let's take this panorama. I focused in, and I'm exposing for the highlights, which is the sky, so that I don't clip them. And then I will lock the exposure, take a photo, move it 50%, take another photo, move it 50%, take another photo, move it another 50%, take another photo, move it another 50%, take a photo. So I should get from there across to here, that area there, in a nice shot. It's not a wide pano, it's just a very detailed one. The only problem I am going to have is these trees here in the foreground are moving, and if you look at them on the screen, the back of the camera, I'll just bump the ISO up so you can see it. You'll see here how they are all blurry. So the only other way to do that, to stop that, is to either focus on them and have the background blurry, or focus stack. So take a shot here with it focused there, take a shot with it focused there, move it 50%, take another shot there, another one there, and focus stack it, and then put it all together in Lightroom or Photoshop or one of the other programs that you can do that with. But I'll stick with what I got, fuzzy foreground, and it'll give the impression of, you know, distance, I hope. Because it is distance, it's a fair way. I took that shot at whatever that is, 180 odd mil, so it's quite a way away. And you can, while you're here, you can see out here the fields of canola looking south, and if you're really energetic like we were last time, you can go up here down the valley and go up to the top up there and have another view, but I'm not going to do that today. Stunning, and certainly enhanced by the clouds, which are just magnificent. Alright everybody, well that's enough for this short video, and I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got something out of it, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, always appreciate those. And if you like what you see on the channel, on the content on the channel, then maybe you'll consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that little notification bell, and then YouTube will let you know when we do the next video. Alright everyone, thanks very much for watching from Stirling Ranges in Western Australia. Bye for now.